how to use the smart Wi-Fi plug. So this is the smart plug. It is available with different brand names on Amazon. Before we go on, don't miss the bonus at the end of the video. Now let's get back to the tutorial. I will give you the link in the description for one of the brands, but it's the same product that they are private labeling. So we have the box that it comes with. Works with both Google Assistant and Alexa, and with Samsung Smart Things. Works with 100 volts to 240 volts, and that's basically for the US and Europe and other countries that have either 110 or 220 volts. Works with Wi-Fi, has an app control, voice control, and you can set timers and schedule. Let's go ahead and open it up. So the one that I am using, I got the European version, but I'm using an adapter with it. I didn't bother replacing it, returning it, because I just had an adapter, so using the adapter with this connection. And then we have an instruction manual that it comes with. So let's go ahead and set it up. So first things first, you're going to download the Smart Life app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. It's going to look like this. You're going to open it up and you're going to sign up with your email address. And once you've signed in, or you're going to log in, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my username and password. Agree, log in, and I'm just going to go to app, and from here we're just going to go ahead and type on add, or tap on add device. It's going to ask you to request location permission. You're going to continue, allow, and you're going to select the type of product you have. I have the socket, Wi-Fi socket, and at this screen you're going to select, make sure you select the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and not a 5 gigahertz, because it only works with the 2.4 gigahertz network. So I am going to use my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and I'm going to put in the Wi-Fi's password. Tap next. Now it's going to ask you to power on the device after it has been powered on for 10 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then tap next. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. So with the power off, you're going to turn the power on. If it's a blue light, steady light, we're going to press and hold it for 5 seconds. And it's going to then start blinking. Next, confirm the indicator is blinking. It is blinking. Next, blink quickly. And now it's going to be connecting to the device. It's going to be connected probably sooner than 2 minutes, and you're going to see the blue light stop blinking. It's going to be steady blue light. And there you go. Once it's connected, you will see the blue light stop blinking, and it has now been added to the app. And there you go. Smart plug has been added successfully. Click done. And there you go. Power is on if you tap on it. Power off. Power on. And you can select a timer. You can add a timer, you can add a countdown. You can see the electric usage. If yours has this option, you will see the electricity usage here as well, which is a great feature. And then setting is where you can clear the power data right here. And once it's added, you'll see it on right here. Smart plug, you're going to tap on it. You can change the name for whatever you want. Power is on. Tap on it, power goes off. Tap on it, power goes on. Do you want an awesome free AI tool that generates short, brandable business names, domain names, and business logos? Watch out for the link coming up shortly. By the way, this isn't a paid promotion. I just love the tool and want to share it with you. Go to namelix.com. Type in your keywords of your product or service. I'm just going to put in just smart Wi-Fi plug. I'm going to generate, and it's going to ask me to select a name style. I'm just going to use auto, but there's a bunch of other ones you can select. Next. And generation randomness, I'm just going to choose medium. Brand info, if you have a business description, you can type it in. I can just put in manufacturer of smart Wi-Fi plug and then generate. Here you go. So it has basically come up with, the AI has come up with different brand names and logos for you with those keywords and business description. So check it out and type the letter A in the comments if you want bonus tips like this in the future videos, or the letter B if you didn't find it amazing. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch the other video on the screen for another free bonus. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay tuned.